Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Curiosity Excels. Here I explore many small DIYs and home decor realistic projects with little or no resources, and I believe being curious is just being human. As we all know, wall decor is quite expensive, especially when we try to make it trendy. Stencils come expensive and professional as well charge well for decor, and it's often difficult to find stencil of our need. So today in this video we are going to make our own stencil just by using paper, pencil and cutter, and make our own corner as per our need. So as I wanted to make this very corner for my plants, so I will start with leaf stencils, and you just make sure paper you use is thick, and it's better if you could find some laminated paper as it will be more durable. You can see our stencil is ready. So here I am using a cello tape to place the stencil so that it won't move while we walk. After placing the stencil in the wall, take the sponge you are using. Out here I am using a beauty blender sponge. Now dip the sponge in your paint and make sure you only take small amount of paint, otherwise it will spill and may ruin your work. So it's better you first try out in somewhere before starting in the actual wall. While using, make sure you take a dab process in light hand and do not squeeze as it may paint spill. Now remove the stencil gently.
Do you want to know? Sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day.
within, here we go. But somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one, diving in to all this endless space.
Thank you very much for watching the complete video, and whoever is new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe, as it motivates me to bring more awesome videos. And also do comment if you want me to make videos of any projects you want. So let's meet in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.